in the heart of the long-leaf pine forest of the southeastern United States. A soft yet striking sound pierces the quiet air. The red-cockaded woodpecker's call. It's a high-pitched, squeaky call, almost like a rapid conversation echoing between the pines. So let's listen to call first. This call is not just noise, it's a message, a lifeline of communication among these social and cooperative birds. Whether warning their groups of approaching danger, calling their mate, or signaling the presence of food, every note carries meaning. The red-cockaded woodpecker is no ordinary bird. Unlike most of its cousins that drill into dead trees, this rare species chooses the challenge of carving its home into living pine trunks, a task that can take years of effort. The sound of their gentle tapping and their calls together create a rhythm that defines the souls of the southern pine forest. When the morning sun filters through the tall pines and the air fills with the fresh scent of resin, their call blends into nature's grand symphony, subtle, ancient, and irreplaceable. Hearing the call of the red-cockaded woodpecker is like listening to the heartbeat of forest that has stood for centuries. It's a reminder for resilience of family bonds and of the delicate beauty of wild places that still whisper their stories to those willing to listen. The red-cockaded woodpecker is a small woodpecker found only in the southeastern United States. It is listed as a threatened species under the United States Endangered Species Act. This bird is medium-sized, measuring only 18 to 23 cm long and weighing around 40 to 55 grams. It has a black and white barred back, large white cheek patches, and a black cap and a nap. Males have a tiny red streak called a cockade on each side of the head, visible only at times. The species is considered near threatened globally and threatened in the United States. The red-cockaded woodpecker mainly eats ants, beetles, caterpillars, cockroaches, spiders, and sometimes fruits or berries. It prefers to forages on large pine trees but may also feed on hardwoods or crops like corn. These birds are territorial and non-migratory, living in family groups that work together to raise youngs. Breeding takes place from April to June and females lay 3 to 4 eggs in a tree cavity. Eggs hatch after about 10 to 13 days and a young bird leaves the nest in about 26 to 29 days. The family group usually includes a breeding pair and several helpers, often young males from previous season, who assist in raising the chicks. Female juveniles usually leave the group to join other males. Predator includes red snakes, corn snakes, and sometimes flying squirrels, which may compete for the nest cavities. In the past, this species lived across the southeastern United States from Florida to New Jersey. Today, only about 12,000 individuals remains, roughly 1% of their original population. They are now extinct in many states. The red-cockaded woodpecker lives in fire-maintained pine forests, especially longleaf pine habitats. Unlike other woodpeckers, it drills its nesting cavities in living pine trees, often those infected with red heart rot, which soften the wood inside. Each family group uses a cluster of 1 to 20 trees over 3 to 60 acres, and their total territory may cover 125 to 200 acres. The birds keep tree sap flowing near their nest holes to help deter predators like snakes. So once common across the south, the red-cockaded woodpecker now survives in small protected areas, a rare reminder of the ancient pine forest that once blanketed the region.